Hi guys, it is Mrs. Komiak, and today we're going to talk about what is a hypothesis. And to begin with, a hypothesis tries to answer a scientific question. So here we have a scientific question. How does the amount of water affect the growth of plants? Right? And a hypothesis would try to answer that. A hypothesis has three parts: if, then, and because. The if part can explain how you change the manipulated variable. The then part explains what happened to the responding variable. And the because part gives the scientific reason, what we can't see. Okay, so let's go through some examples. So if I increase the amount of water given to the lettuce plants, then their height will increase because they can do more photosynthesis. Or I might determine or might think or predict that if I decrease the amount of water given to the lettuce plants, then their height will decrease because they can't do photosynthesis as well as before. Or maybe I think if I increase the amount of water given to plants, the lettuce plants, then their height won't be affected because the amount of sunlight is still the same, and maybe that's the limiting factor. So it does have this format if, then, because, and it is trying to answer a scientific question. Here's some more examples. Scientific question: how does the amount of liquid added to a pancake recipe affect the average height of 5 stacked pancakes? Well, that's a fun experiment to do. Right? So I could think if I increase the amount of liquid used in a pancake recipe, then the average height of 5 stacked pancakes will increase because there's more matter. Or maybe I would think if I decrease the amount of liquid used in a pancake recipe, then the average height of 5 stacked pancakes will decrease because there is less matter. Or maybe I think if I increase the amount of liquid used in a pancake recipe, then the average height of 5 stacked pancakes will decrease because the batter will be more runny. Maybe the molecules are further apart. So it has that if, that then, and because, which is a scientific explanation of something we can't see. A hypothesis should always be testable and measurable. And you can see here, because we have our responding variables, that we can measure it, right? And because we have our manipulated variables, they're testable and measurable. Okay, great. Thank you. Bye-bye.